Hello, bhai. Today topic Piotroski score. So, Piotroski score is very important for stock analysis. As investor, Piotroski score is very helpful. So, let's start. What is Piotroski score? Piotroski score. Piotroski score basically gives 9 points. কোম্পানি স্টক ওভারভিউ পিওটার্সকে হেল্প করতে হয়। কোম্পানি অ্যানালাইসিস ওভারভিউ। In financial market, share market, long-term investing is the best way to earn money. Next, Piotroski score created by Joseph Piotroski. Created by Joseph Piotroski. Joseph Piotroski, created by Joseph Piotroski. Joseph Piotroski, Stanford University professor. So, Stanford University professor. So, Joseph Piotroski प्रोफेसर था स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी। प्रोफेसर स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी। एज ए इन्वेस्टर आपको पियोटर्स्की स्कोर आपको समझना है। So what is Piotroski? What is Piotroski score? Piotroski score 0 to 9 point. Gives 0 to 9 point. Higher is better. Here, higher is better. The strong company financial higher is better. Strong financial company financial strong. Company financial strong. So, Piotroski score higher is better. Piotroski score gives company financial strength. Company financial with heavy Piotroski score. So, category Piotroski score category. Number 1, profitability. 4 point. Give 4 point. Profitability. Next, leverage. Liquidity, source of income. Number 3, operating efficiency. So 3.2 point. So total 9 point gives. जो हायर होगा वो बेटर. So the 9 criteria. 9 criteria explained. Number 1, profitability. Profitability give 4 point. Number 1, net income. Net income. Next, return on asset. Operating cash flow. Net income. So gives 1 point. Next, leverage. Number 2, leverage and liquidity and source of income. Lower leverage, next, a higher current ratio, short term ability to pay, a higher current ratio, number of new share issue. Next, operating efficiency. Number 1, higher gross margin. Next, a higher asset. So Piotroski score gives 1 point. Higher is better. So 9 criteria explain Professor Joseph Piotroski. Next, how to interpret score. How to interpret this score. How to interpret this score. Number 1, 8 or 9. Strong, excellent, and fundamental good. Piotroski score 8 to 9. Company financial strength, strong, excellent, and fundamentally अच्छा है. Next, 5 to 7. Average financial and 0 to 4. Weak financial. So 0 to 4 weak financial. Pala. Next, so how to interpret this score? 8 to 9 company strong, financially strong, excellent, and fundamental answer. Next, 5 to 7 average financial, or 0 to 4 weak financial. So as a example, say suppose Hindustan Aeronautic Limited (HAL) and BDL and Mazdog. Piotroski score तीनों कंपनी का सपोज HAL 8, BDL 6, Mazdog 5. So here Piotroski scores according to Piotroski score. Here Hindustan Aeronautic Limited अच्छा है. But Piotroski score limitation. Stock market is a probability, not certainty. So limitation. Piotroski score पास्ट हिस्टोरिकल डाटा ही बताता है, लेकिन फ्यूचर पर क्या होगा वो नहीं बताते. सो पास्ट हिस्टोरिकल डाटा. नेक्स्ट, Piotroski स्कोर के साथ आप ऑल्टमैन जेड स्कोर, पीवीपी रेशियो, तो अच्छा से काम करेगा. So Piotroski score 8 to 9 is a good score. कंपनी फंडामेंटल अच्छा है.